Hello and welcome to Friday's homework check. So final homework check of the week, and yesterday I asked you to have a look at the converting measure problems, questions 1, 2 and 3. So we're going to go through them now. Unlike the other questions from this week, these will involve a bit more explanation, a bit more working out than just the arithmetic ones. So question number 1, 1 gram of gold costs £32.94. So a key bit of information is that is the cost for 1 gram of gold. What is the cost of half a kilogram of gold? Okay. Now, again, like I say every time, you might have done this question in a different way. Doesn't matter, but I'm going to show you the way that I would do it. And if you've got the right answer, then that is fine. Now, I know that per kilogram, there is 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. I know that from my conversion of measures work. So I'm going to take my price of 1 gram, £32.94, and I'm going to times that by 1,000 because I know that there is 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. So I'm working out just 1 kilogram a minute and leaving the half a kilogram relevant. So I'm going to times that by 1,000, which will give me 32,940. So that is the price of 1 kilogram of gold. So then if I want to work out half a kilogram, all I need to do is divide this by 2 to get my final answer. And so that would give me 16,470 pounds. So hopefully you got that one right. You might have worked at just times this by 500, which is going to give you 500 grams. But this is the way that I've done it. It doesn't matter which way you've done it as long as you've got the right answer. So this one is worth 2 marks. So if you got the correct answer, you'd get 2. If you've got the wrong answer, but you've done the working out right, but you've just made a mistake somewhere, then you'd get 1 mark for that one. Okay, question number 2 then. So a teacher needs 70 lengths of string that are cut to 40 centimetres each. If balls of string are 10 metres long, how many balls will be needed? Okay, so we're working with 70 lots of 40 centimetres, but we're cutting those out of 10 metres. So first of all, I'm going to convert this 10 metres into centimetres, so I'm working in the same unit. So I need to work out how many centimetres are in 1 metre, how many centimetres would be in 40, how many 40 centimetres would be in 10 metres. Sorry, I was getting my words mixed up there. To convert this into centimetres. So 10 metres in centimetres is 1,000 centimetres. So now I've got the question. A teacher needs 70 lengths of string cut to 40 centimetres each. If balls of string are 1,000 centimetres long, how many would be needed? So the total amount that I can get from one ball of string is 1,000 metres. Now I need to work out how many 1,000 centimetres. Now I need to work out how many I actually need to do. So I need to do 70, because that's my 70 lengths, times 40 as a sum and work that one out, which gives me the answer 2,800 centimetres. And so if the balls of string I can only buy in 1,000 centimetres long, then I would need to round this number up. So I would get 2,000 metres out of 2, and then I'd have to get another ball of string for the 800 centimetres, and I'd have some left over. But I can't only get 2 because then I wouldn't have enough. So the answer to this one is 3. I would need 3 balls of string. Okay, and the final question I asked you to do is number 3, which lots of children always get stuck on. So a packet contains 1.5 kilograms of oats, and every day Maria uses 50 grams of oats to make porridge. How many days does the packet of oats last? So first of all, I need to make sure I'm working in the same unit, and I'm not. So I'm going to take this 1.5 kilograms and turn it into grams. Now I know that in 1 kilogram there is 1,000 grams. So in 1.5, I know that it is 1,500 grams. So now I've got a packet contains 1,500 grams of oats, And every day Maria uses 50 grams of oats to make porridge. How many days does the packet of oats last? Now for this question, we need to do a division because we are taking our 1,500 grams and we are dividing it by 50. So she takes 50 out every day. So now I need to do this as a sum, this division. So I've got 50 into 1, you can't do. 50 into 15, you can't do. 50 into 150, so you've got 3. 50 into nothing is nothing. So it will last her 30 days if she takes 50 grams of oats each day. So that will last her a long time. And that is all you need to do on that one. Make sure that your units are the same before you have a go at working it out. Okay, so if for Monday you do page 51 and 52, because it's going to go over. So if you do questions 4, 5 and 6. So the next 3 questions following on from our unit measurements. So check back on Monday to check your answers and see what is next.